On May 23rd of 2023, Neuralink shared a very groundbreaking tweet. We are excited to share that we have received the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's approval to launch our first in-human clinical study. Elon Musk's brain-machine interface company is developing a chip that is basically the Fitbit for the brain, which will be implanted inside the skull.
Device. Like, I could have a Neuralink device implanted right now, and you wouldn't even know. One of these demos I will.
Indeed, on at least 4 occasions since 2019 for clinical trials, and at least 42 people globally have had brain-computer implants. Such devices have enabled feats that once belonged to the realm of science fiction. While most companies seeking to commercialize brain implants are focused on those with medical needs, Neuralink had cost.
At first, I think it's going to be, quite expensive, but that price will very rapidly drop. And I think over time, we want to get the cost obviously down as low as possible. But I think inclusive of the automated surgery, I think we want to get the price down to a few $1,000s. Well, I think it should be
effective at best. During the first stage, Neuralink had already demonstrated an 88% success rate in animal testing, mainly with macaque monkeys. The next step, which is through human clinical trials, should yield a higher result. In fact, huge progress has been made in this field in Europe as well, thanks to the work of a team of researchers to walk again, said Mr. Gertian Oscom. It's been a long journey, but now I can stand up and have a beer with my friend. It's a pleasure that many people don't realize. He can now also stand and climb upstairs. Amazing. So how is Neuralink going to experiment on humans? These sources said that this experiment will tendons and muscles. Those electronic pulses are like the programming language of the human body. Your brain is sending command prompts through your spinal cord, but sometimes that connection between the brain and the body gets broken either by a physical injury or a degenerative disease. So this technology can function like a bridge for those electrical signals, cutting out a chunk of the skull, inserting the Utah array into the outer layer of the brain, and then attaching a miniature computing device directly onto the top of the head that connects to the array on one end and has a big wire coming out of the top of your head. Additionally, Neuralink has an insertion head with a 40-micron diameter needle made of tungsten rhenium, designed to attach to the insertion loops, inject individual probes, and penetrate the meninges and cerebral tissue. It's capable of inserting up to 6 wires equal to 192 electrodes per minute. Honestly, at the rate in which technology advances in this field, Corporation is an American neurotechnology company that is developing implantable brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, which was founded in 2016 by Elon Musk and a team of 7 scientists and engineers, and maximize its effectiveness and one day replace all that bulky equipment that the patient wears on top of their head with just a Neuralink implant. And before I leave you, let me impart with you some information about the company. Neuralink Corporation is Austin, Texas headquarters, and the company's goal in the future has been to build their own medical clinic to treat multiple special patients. And there you have it. What are your thoughts on Musk's new development? And would you like to take part in the clinical trial?